Okay, good afternoon, kids, audience. I'm the coach, Coach Mac, and today we are going to finish up with the number 4. We have maybe 3 more problems, division problems. Then we're going to do multiplication. Then I'll be finished with the number 4. And the next video I make will be the number 6. Okay. Now, what's the first thing we have to do, guys? I think last time I forgot it too. Okay, you guessed it. Place the number cone to the side. I did that last time. There's something else I didn't do last time. I just forgot. That was to give the word of the day or the tip of the day. Okay, the tip of the day is safety. We'll talk about a few safety things that you can apply at home, you can apply when you're in the street, or you can apply when you're in school in the building. First thing I'm going to talk about is children, do not play with matches. Do not play with matches. Do not play with lighters. Do not play with any kind of fire. Do not play with fire at home. Okay, don't be turning the stoves on, especially if you're young. Don't be doing those things. Don't be striking matches, anything like that. Do not play with any kind of fire object that produce fire at home. Do not do those things. They're very dangerous. The same when you go to school. If you happen to see something like a lighter or something like matches, even things like knives, sharp objects, like knives and things of that nature, you happen to see those things around your school, you should go ahead and tell your teacher, and I'm sure your teacher will call the principal, and the principal will have the proper people to come back and take a look at it. Another thing about safety, be very careful when you're walking across the road. Little children, of course, if you're real young, your parents not going to have you walk across the road by yourself. But if you're you're the age where you riding a bicycle to school, you should keep on your helmet, wear your helmet and be watching for the traffic. You should ride your bike facing the traffic coming towards you. If possible, ride on the sidewalk if possible, just to be safe. Those are just a few safety things that you should think about. But I'm not going to go too much into it, but that was my topic today, safety. So, be safe. Okay, wear proper equipment when wear your helmet at all times. Okay, don't just wear your helmet. Make sure it's chin strap is secured, it's fastened properly. If you ride a bicycle, make sure that your brake on your bicycle works so you won't be running into people or running into anything. We want you to be safe. We want you to be safe, okay? One last thing, never go swimming in unauthorized areas that are not authorized to go. Never do those things. And don't do anything that can put yourself as a young person in danger. We want to see you live for a long time. We want to see your smiling faces in schools, okay? So, please remember the safety tips. Okay, we got 1, 2, maybe 3 divisions left. Then we're going to go into multiplication. Okay, the first multiplication, the first division problem will be 24 divided by 4. Okay, in other words, how many groups of 4s are in 24? Think of it that way. First I'm going to count to myself to make sure I got enough to do what I need to do. 4, 8, 12. Okay, now I'm going to set out 24. I'm going to set out 24 balls. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now I have 24 balls out there, and how many groups of 4 do I have? We're going to count how many groups of 4 do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 24. So 24 divided into 4, the answer is going to be 6. My next number is going to be 28, so I have to put out one more ball to make 28. "28 divided into 4s. 28 divided into 4. Okay, I have 28 balls out. Now, the question is 28 divided into 4, how many groups of 4 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 groups, right? There's 7 groups. So, 28 divided into 4, the answer is going to be 7. Actually, I have 2 more of these left to go. Okay, I had 28, right? I have to add 1 more to make 32. That's 32. There's 32 balls up there. Okay? 32 divided into 4. So how many groups of 4 do we have this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups of 4s. So 32 divided into 4, the answer is going to be 8. We're going to have 1 more ball to make it 36. "36 divided into 4. So you ask yourself the question, we can say, how many times are 4 going to 36, or how many groups of 4s are in 36? And you can see it visually, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 36 there are 9 groups of 4. So the answer is 9. Now we're going to go straight into multiplication. Okay? Straight into multiplication. Now, the first multiplication problem is going to be pretty simple, so I'm not going to move anything around too much. First multiplication problem is going to be 4 times 1. Now, 4 times 1, okay, any number multiplied by 1 is going to be itself, okay? So 4 times 1 is going to be, that's 1 group of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 1, the answer is going to be 4. Now, the next one is going to be 4 times 2. 4 times 2. Alright? I'm going to say 2 groups of 4s. 2 groups of 4s equal what? 4 times 2 equal what? I have 2 groups of 4s. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 4 times 2, the answer is going to be 8. I'm going to skip around a little bit, so you want this learn to memorize. Okay. Next one is going to be 4 times 4. Add 4 times. 4 times 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4s. And we're going to add that up and see what's going to be the value of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, 4 times 4, the answer is 16. 4 times 3, somebody take 1 away and say 4, 3 sets of 4. What's the total value of 3 sets of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 4 times 3, the answer is going to be 12. Four times 5. That means I got to put out 5 sets of 4s. That's 4 sets of 4s, and that's 5 sets of 4s. I have 5 sets of 4s up. So 4 times 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4 times 5, the answer is going to be 20. Okay, we're going to do 4 times 7. 4 times 7, so that means I need to have 7 sets of 4s. I have 5 sets out now. That's set number 6. Over at the far left, we're going to set number 7. Let me count to make sure I got the right amount of sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets. Okay, so 4 times 7, we're going to count this one by 4 this time, okay? We're going to count each group by 4. 4 times 7 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 4 times 7, the answer is going to be 28. Four times 10. I have 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, 5 set, 6 set, 7 set. That's 8 sets. 8 sets. 9 sets. And I'm going to have 1 set back behind me. So now we have 10 sets of 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sets of 4s. So 10 sets of 4s is going to be, we're going to count by 1 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So, 4 times 10, the answer is 40. And that's all that we have for you today. No, we have one more. No, that's all. Okay, it's been a pleasure teaching you today. Have a great day. See you again. We go to next time you see me, we'll be going with the number 6. Bye-bye. Play ball.